Welcome to my channel. For work I will use 3mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. And in this video you will see how to crochet 3D pattern with interesting stitches. Make a chain of 12. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and pattern has 2 rows. Continue. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make half double crochet and make half double crochet till the end of this row. Pattern consists of 4 stitches, so I will repeat my unique stitches 3 times in a row. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Your row could be longer than mine. Once I have done all half double crochet, make chain of 3, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Make extended double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. And make 1 more through the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into this loop. Make the first double crochet. Make the second extended double crochet. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook around the stitch in the lower row. Make front post treble crochet. My 3rd stitch is ready. It is very beautiful and unusual at the same time. Continue. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Make double crochet on the chain, not finish, or extended double crochet. Then you should crochet 3 more times. 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through first 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3 times. Yarn over the hook and make extended double crochet. Then make the 2nd one and make front post treble crochet around the 1st extended double crochet. Here what I have at this point, and now I show you how I will complete my row. Yarn over the hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch from the bottom or 1st stitch from the top. 4. Then yarn over, pull through 4 loops on the hook and pull through 2 loops 1, 2, and 3 times. Yarn over the hook. 1, 2, and front post treble crochet. So my second row of the main pattern is ready. It is going to be stitch with volume. Here what I have at this point. Let's look at the ready example. Continue working. Let's crochet row 3. It is going to be a row of half double crochet. Chain of 2, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, half double crochet, then half double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. As I told you before, your row will be longer than mine. So my row is ready. I remind you my unique stitch based on 4 stitches. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch and make half double crochet and make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, turn the work. My beauty is almost ready. I still need to continue. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch and make extended double crochet, not finish. In total it should be 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. I will start and you should continue working with your own. Then I will show you how to complete my row. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 2 extended double crochet. 1, 2, and front post treble crochet around the chain, and so on. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Yarn over the hook 3 times and let's complete this row with me. Make 4 extended double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one into the second chain stitch. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through 4 loops and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, and make 2 extended double crochet. 1, 2, and front post treble crochet around the first stitch. My row is ready. Pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is my unique stitches, and the second one is a row of half double crochet. Then chain of 2, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch, and so on. Here how my swatch looks like when I am done. It could be perfect to create vest or another accessories such as tablecloths or doily or mug rug. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. My pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. All additional information could be found in the description of each video tutorial. It is very popular and interesting pattern. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time. Bye.